Okay, we're going to show you the freezer door assembly for a Brullen i95. All the parts have been washed and air dried and sanitised. So first thing I do is get my freezer door and put on the door seals. It's important these go on nice and flat. No lubricant goes on those. If they're not on flat, you'll get mix leak outside of the machine. Like that. Then there's door valves. You notice there's three. One of the three is a little bit different. That's one that goes in the middle for the twin twist machine and has the O-ring down the centre to stop the mixers cross-contaminating. I've already lubricated these parts to show you how I did it. Just there's a little spot on there, just around the O-rings. Like so. Be careful, the middle one goes in the middle and have the cut facing that way. The reason being, when you put the handles on, they go in there like that. Okay, so middle one in the middle. These ones you can't get mixed up. They're both identical. The outside ones, push them down like so. We put our front bearings on. Very important those are on there. And then I like to put the doors on, or the handles, sorry. Now, at this stage I find it a little bit easier. Like that. Up. Oops, so these can go anyway, they're all three are the same. Okay, I'm not left-handed. Okay, they're on, bearings are on, seals are on. I grab it like this so I can hold them in place. Again, if they drop down, you're going to leak mix everywhere. Push it on the front, hold it still to keep the pressure on so those seals don't fall off, and put the bolts on diagonally. That one, and this one. And you do this because it keeps the door going on nice and flat and even. If you put those two sides on, we'll pull this side out in the leak mix. Don't do them up very tight to start with. That one. So just touch them up like this, hand tight. Check your handles are all freed up and not jammed. And put our design caps on the bottom. And you can leave those off too. That's not that hard. Okay. And that's Brullen i95 freezer door assembly.